letter me I gonna answer. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm on my way. I go Connecticut, which honestly, me no want to go, but you can't do nothing about it. Me have to go.
Turn left on New Jersey 173 East, then keep right.
Anyway, I'm at Jersey right now. So we're going to backdrop to the story, right? My home time soon come up, and
take ramp to I-78 East.
Me no want get stuck out here because I don't know say out here. So Jersey, Connecticut have New Year snow, and sometimes when they do have snow out here, them close the road, which is fine. Me understand all of that, but me have my home time for the weekend. Today Thursday, right? Me supposed to reach home Saturday. Supposed to go home Saturday. It is not a guarantee that me go reach home Saturday. You know, so me I talk about. And one of the things where this company kind of pride themselves on is home time, getting them drivers home at home time, and it is bullcrap because
22.4 miles ahead, take exit 29.
If that's the case,
north.
That's the case, them gonna give me a load where would have potentially create a problem in them getting me home on time. But me digress. It is what it is, you know. At the end of the day, me a company driver. Me can't refuse no load. Oh, and this is another thing they don't tell you. I don't know, I remember if them they tell me, but them not tell you. If you're a company driver, you cannot refuse any load unless based on what some my workers them tell me unless you unless it's inclement weather or blah blah blah, or you know something wrong with your truck and you're not gonna make it. Other than that, you cannot, because them will fire you. They will terminate you because you choose not to go pick up the load there. So I just that no one tell you. But anyway, come along with me. Me I got Connecticut. It is 180 miles from where me was at. Some of this I can't go through. Me not even a rush. At 5 o'clock at the pickup, and we just all go on and go there, because me not left when me, depending on how long them take to load me, because I think it's a live load. So that also factor in how long them are going to take to load me, because depending on how long they take to load me, me not left in a no night, you know, with traffic. No, me not do it. Not do it. So that's that. But anyway, we just carry on a little bit from my journey to Connecticut, and this is Jersey. They are Jersey. So yeah, take my time, chug along. Alright? Alright. Okay, I like it because it's not the city. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm there in New York. In New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do out of New York. Okay, we can't sing because I tried something. Don't bother me. Yeah, don't follow me. All right, cool. But anyway, just crossed straight line from Jersey to New York. So yeah, just a go and do the thing. And I made the best out of the situation. So you know, the next state is Connecticut. Okay, next state is Connecticut. Woo! The popo got somebody. The popo got somebody. Hey ho, the cherry o. The popo got somebody. I wonder who it is. I don't know about the police catch somebody over there up on the left side. Thank Jehovah God it ain't me. Alright? Cool. But anywho, as we say, just cross straight state line over in a New York. And just go on about my business. Alright? Alright. And again, thanks for accompanying the journey with me. Thanks for, you know, just being there for me. I appreciate it. And yeah. Alright? Cool. I'm not done yet, but okay. Even though I love New York, this is what me don't like about New York. Too much traffic. Too much traffic. And then you have some big-head boo-boo. Yes, me say so. Them a big-head boo-boo. Because them don't use them turn signal like the Jeep there in front of me. Not the Toyota, the Jeep way in front of me where they back of the truck there. Almost lick up in our people them truck, but in could have lick up in our people them truck, and guess what, them have camera on them truck. So the would insist say at him at fault. Not only that, him not even put on no turn signal, him just look almost lick up in our people them truck. But yeah, this is what we don't like about New York traffic. And it's just one of them things they have to deal with there, man. Cause you know, I just saw you going to New York. And you have to be mindful because, as me say, people up here seems like when them did go take them tests to learn how to drive, them never see the part where say you must use your turn signal to indicate your way out, where they are going left or right. So, yeah, that. See one Jeep I do exactly what do to me down the sound. Fair exchange is no robbery. Anywho, it is what it is. But I take my time I chug along down in the traffic, yeah. Just want to share the party I would do no cause, you know, we have to share. Sharing is caring. And because I care about you know, me I share it with you know. Alright? Alright. This man is a big head boo-boo because all him do is on him phone and I drive. Watch him on him phone. Watch him on him phone. Have him phone in him hand. Have him phone in him hand. And he might drive the sinking there. Don't be a big head boo-boo on the road. Don't have your phone in your hand when you drive. Okay? Alright. That was just me. I tell you no say don't be a big head boo-boo. Don't be a big head boo-boo. Alright. And we have just crossed the border into Connecticut. Welcome to Connecticut, my friends. We are here, Connecticut Welcome Center. But we ain't gonna stop there. We gonna go about our business because we ain't stopping, alright? We ain't stopping. We gonna stop at the truck wash to get a trailer wash up. That's it. Alright? Okay. But anywho, but it's just wanted to say we reach Connecticut. But yeah, baby. We encounter minor little traffic, yeah, but I mean, you know, it is what it is. But yeah. Okay. Okay. It's a gloomy day as you can see. Dark and dingy out the door, but what we are going to do? At the end of the day, it is what it is. But so far, so far. And yeah, big bypass. And say it again. The world's love. Yeah. Alright. So next stop at Truck Wash. Get a trailer wash out. And then after that we are gonna drive while ship up. Hopefully they can load it early. The load up at 5 o'clock, but if they reach them by 3 o'clock, I hope and pray they can load it a little early. So that we can go and get it. But honestly, if they load me, by that time then we try to get it. So I just that me and make it. Alright? That is
crunches in the middle, crunches on the outside. Yeah, it takes about maybe 15, 20 minutes to thaw out. So dig into it.
I know. I won't.
So when you leaving, when you go to Tennessee?
Okay. Me, I gotta eat a piece of the ice cream. How are you about it, box? Look at yourself. Oh my goodness, look at that. Yeah, there's a fat girl inside that car. I'll open it. Oh man, I wish I could. Woo. I don't want to make a mess, but I'm going to try not make a mess. Alright, I'll put this here for a minute. Alright. Cool. Alright. So we'll cut the piece now. It's a very big piece. So it's chocolate and vanilla. Chocolate and vanilla. I know I can't see it so good, but yeah. But anyway, and I back up alright, I got devour. But before me devour, I'm gonna put this back in here. So start loading it. much.